Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Vinyl TV. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this gear. This is Epson Expression XP 6100. This is Epson Expression Premium XP 6100. This printer is very compact, very economical and affordable. This is for office use, for student work. Check my video how we unbox this gear. I'm going to give you an overview of this printer, then show you how to install the ink cartridges. This printer is using ink cartridges 202 ink cartridges. This printer, it's multifunctional printer. You can copy, scan, print from this gear. This printer is dual band. You can connect it via Wi-Fi network and USB cable connection. Unfortunately, USB cable is not included in the packaging. We have this at Vinyl Textile free delivery. This is the USB cable. What it looks like is universal. Canon can use it, Epson can use it, HP can use it, okay? But it's not included. We have this at Vinyl Textile. The overview from this printer is from the back here. The power cable, 3-pin power cable is included in the packaging. It goes in here, and the USB cable goes right here. Okay, but unfortunately it's not included in the packaging. If you have any paper jam, this is where to check. I do get a lot of questions, people asking about paper jam. So open up this section and check for any paper jam and debris. And once you're done, you gently close it. If you cannot find anything, the other thing you can do is turn this printer around, okay, and gently open it, the paper tray, okay. Open the paper tray and also check for any paper jam and debris right here as well. I do get a lot of questions, people asking me about paper jam, okay. Now, also this is the real paper tray. This is the paper tray here. Some printer have a real paper tray, but this one, it appears that it hasn't got so this is the front casket, okay, where you load the paper. It's written here front paper input, but at the back you think that it has where to put the paper from the back, but it's just a designer, so just front paper input, okay. Here is the scanner, flatbed scanner. You load the document, ID card, whatever you want to copy or scan, and select the function from the LCD screen here, okay. And you open up this section. This is where the ink cartridges holder, just by the side here is where you load the ink, okay. I'm going to show you how to install the ink and also how to remove the ink, okay. And this is the front panel, which is contain the information you need, LCD screen. And here is for you to, the paper will come out from right here, and the DVD, okay, is also inside, okay. The DVD goes in here, okay. You can load CD and DVD and print the information you want to print from right here, okay. Now you can also print out from the memory card and SD card, okay. You can print out using your memory card and SD card and the memory stick. You can also print out from this printer, okay. Now what I want us to do is really to show you how to install the ink, okay. And to start the ink, what we need to do is open it up, okay. Now we have the ink cartridges. It's using ink cartridges 202, black, yellow, magenta, various color, okay. So the ink cartridges are included with the packaging, okay. So this ink came with the packaging. So what we need to do right now is to install the ink, okay. So to do that, we need to first of all see which one goes first from here, okay. You can see from the stickers. So Blue goes in, then after blue you have black, yellow, magenta, and PB. Okay, so right now what we need to do is look for the blue ink cartridges. Here it is. Okay, so right now we need to install the blue. Okay, so this is the blue ink cartridges. Open it up, this section, just pull it out. Don't touch the sofa section, and also don't touch the chip section. Okay, so don't touch right here and also here. So what we need to do right now, we need to go in. Okay, make sure this end goes inside first. Okay, goes in. You hear a click sound, so it's in now. And also if you want to remove this, just need to press by the side. Press it by the side to remove. Okay, now the next on the list is black. Is on the list. So open it up, pull. Okay, now the next to do is for you to go in, look for BK. Okay, it goes in here, BK goes in. Okay, push down. If you want to remove it, push it in and remove it. So BK is in. The next on the list is yellow. So we'll look for yellow ink cartridges. Okay, so this is the yellow. Pull out. Then you go in. Remember, don't touch the middle and also the chip. Then go into the yellow. Okay, push inside. The next on the list is magenta, which is red. Okay, now so the red color goes in. Open, pull. Now go in. Okay, make sure it goes in this way. You can see what I'm doing. Okay, it's in. The last but then not the least is PB. Okay, so we have PB. Okay, pull out, then go in. Okay, so this is how to install the ink, and everything is in. Okay, now what we need to do is gently close it down. Like I said earlier, if you want to remove it, what you need to do, just put your finger in the middle. You can see how to remove it, and you remove it straight away. If you want to put it back, make sure you hear a click sound. It's in. Okay, now what we need to do is basically close the printer down, close it, go back and front. Okay, and the next thing we need to do is from the LCD screen. Okay, click initialization start, install the ink cartridges for setup. Okay, that came with it. Okay, initialization, click OK. So right now it's processing. So right now it's processing. Initialization, please. This will take about 10 minutes. This line will go from here to the end. Okay, so but this is how to install the ink, and once initialization is finished, it will tell you that initialization is completed. But this is how to install the ink. So the next thing I can see, the line is moving straight. Okay, but I might not wait for the whole 10 minutes to reach, but this is the process you need to go. Okay, once you install the ink correctly, you just need to wait for 10 minutes for the initialization to complete. Okay, then you go from there to print alignment. Okay, and this is how to install the ink cartridges. Okay, I'm going to, as this is going on right now, I'm also need to bring the paper tray, because we need to install the paper. We need to load the paper, and also for us to complete the alignment. Okay, so right now this is taking about 10 minutes. You can see it's moving slow and steady. can see it's moving. You can see a blue light. So guys, this is how to install the ink. I'm going to show you how to. I'm not gonna wait for 10 minutes, but this is what you need to do. You need to wait for 10 minutes for initialization to complete. Once initialization completed, the next thing you need to do is to load the paper tray. Okay, so this is how to install the ink. If you're happy with this tutorial and overview of how to install the ink, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.